Hey there, I'm meteorologist Ashley Ruiz from Seattle, Washington. And here's a look at the forecast because we have a lot to talk about. Until we get some summer-like weather to return, it's going to be very fall-like, late summer, early fall, with temperatures in the 60s and 70s, cloudy, murky, as well as rain chances. Finally getting some rain chances back into the forecast here in Seattle. It's been so dry, and July tends to be our driest month, but we only picked up 1/100th of an inch of rain for the entire month of July so far. And before then, greater than trace at the airport, at SeaTac Airport, it was back in June. And even then, it wasn't a lot. And so unfortunately, the drought conditions have really worsened over the weeks. But anything at this point will help. Rain chances return Tuesday, Wednesday, and then tapering off into Thursday. And starting Friday and beyond, we're looking at a warmer than normal weather pattern and dry conditions into the middle half of August. But through Wednesday night, at least, this is going to be very beneficial rain. Even if it doesn't shatter any drought conditions, anything at this point will help. Estimated rain totals, we'll have to see where the heaviest rain sets up, anywhere from 1/10 of an inch, maybe up to 1/2 of an inch. But all in all, the highest rain totals will be closer to the coast and up into the Cascade Mountains and the foothills. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast for Seattle and surrounding areas. Our average high this time of year, 79. So we're going to be below that. Into Wednesday, we'll kick things off with rain, tapering to showers, going to be on the cool side. But then over the weekend, ridging takes hold of our weather pattern once again, and we're going to heat up, dry out, and we'll have bright skies once again. So looking ahead to the weekend, looking quite nice. A look at the big picture right now. We have all those clouds in place, a disturbance moving through the region, but our front that's going to bring us the rain chance is still well offshore. A look around Washington as of about 9 a.m. this morning. We have high clouds atop Hurricane Ridge. We have some sun peeking through near the coast. I wanted to take you to Paradise because free entry to national parks, our beautiful national parks here in Washington and across the country. You can see Paradise at Mount Rainier not looking so bright, but a lot of people already at the national parks and at the entryways as well. Paradise over 4,000 or 5,000 feet, 5,400 feet, a high of only about 55, but clearing skies into Hurricane Ridge. Once again, you see some wildfire smoke, maybe some low clouds off in the distance, and mostly sunny to partly sunny skies, about 58. Now here in the lowlands, Queen Anne looking toward downtown Seattle, Elliott Bay. You can see the Space Needle, always a good sign, but we are going to have a good amount of clouds, at least for the morning into the afternoon. We could have some sunbreaks in the mix. Highs in the 60s and 70s, air quality about moderate for the greater Seattle metro. Overnight lows will be in the 50s for most, and then we'll warm up potentially into the 70s, especially in the afternoon when we have that chance for sun breaks tomorrow before showers arrive. Before that happens, before the front begins to move in, we'll have highs in the 60s and 70s. In terms of timing of the showers Tuesday, most of the coast will get some hit or miss showers, but then we'll get a wave of showers moving in Tuesday evening or Tuesday night and then into the area Wednesday morning for some of the busiest commuting from Seattle to Tacoma and just in the surrounding areas. Then we'll get this batch of rain moving to the east toward the Cascade Mountains, and then it's going to break apart, leading to hit or miss showers, maybe even a rumble of thunder or a thunderstorm over northern Washington and then the northern Cascades. But once again, beneficial rain, and then we dry out just in time for the weekend with highs in the 80s.